Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you the complete setup and how to use this Amazon gimbal, which I already posted the unboxing video and even the full review as well. If in case you missed the full review, check the link in the description box. First, let's start with how to turn on this gimbal. Here you can see the buttons. This is the power key. If you press once, it shows the battery indication, how much it is. Here three indications are there: H, M and L. If three lights are blinking, that means it is 100% charged. In the booklet they clearly mentioned about this, how much it is based on the indication of the lights. Even it is same for the charging as well. First, let's see how to attach mobile phone to it. Right now, I don't know what's wrong with this one, but it's not straight, guys. It's like tilted position. I'm using this base stance, but see, it is not straight. So if we turn like this, still the issue is same. Now it is falling towards the camera. Now let's see how to connect mobile phone to this gimbal. First, unlock this gimbal. So it should be like this, freely falling. You can see the groove here where the mobile base has to go inside these two. Just keep like this. Oops. So now you can see here there is very minimal gap. Now what you have to do is you need to balance this. See, now it is balanced. If in case it is not balanced, I'll show you. Here you can see one knob. You need to adjust this. So if you adjust this, it will move to the sides, left or right. Now let's see how to download the application for this gimbal. In the instruction manual, they provided on page 12 the QR code for the application. It is available on both Android and iOS, which is a nice thing. So first you need to download this application. This is the app you need to download, guys. I'm installing now. After installing the application, we will see how to connect this gimbal to the mobile phone so you can record videos or photos smoothly. One of the beautiful thing of this gimbal is it comes with a lot of features, that too under 10,000 rupees price range. It gives a tough competition for all the gimbals in this price range. I'll share more details about this gimbal in the full review. If in case you are watching this setup video lately, maybe I already posted the full review video of this Amazon Basics gimbal. Check the description box for more related links of this gimbal. Now I install the application. I'm clicking on open. Let me adjust this. The toughest part when it comes to any gimbals, not only smartphones, even the DSLR cameras, is this calibration. Okay, I'll keep this gimbal here. Let me show you this setup process. Click on agree and continue. Now click on find device, confirm. You need to give all these permissions to pay successfully. Here you can see the device is showing. Click on it, confirm, allow, confirm, allow, confirm, allow. Now it is paid. You can see the tick mark here. Now I turned off the gimbal. Again I'm turning on. See, it is connected fastly. There is no problem in that. Now click on enter camera mode. Now let's talk about the buttons first, then the app features. If you see, there are three buttons on the front. On the right side, one slider type button is provided. It's not actually button, it's like slider only. On the back side, one more button they provided. It's like click button. This button is specifically for power on or power off. This button is for mode changing. See here, the mode is changing. Right now it is in AF. Now change it to HF, then LF. Below that you can see some more options. This dot indicates pressing of this mode button. If it is 2, that means you need to press this mode button 2 times to get this option. If I press 3 times, it changes the orientation. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is like a joystick button. It rotates, but there is no use of this rotation. You can move this button to left or right, top and bottom or cross, anywhere you like. It works super fine. The back button acts as a shutter button for the camera. If in case you are in recording mode, it acts as start and stop recording. Now let's see the app features that this gimbal comes with. I'll keep this gimbal side so that you can understand much better. So this is the typical app interface it looks like. You can see this is shutter button. Right now we are in camera mode. If you want to shift from camera to video, here is the option. If the red color is showing, that means it is in recording mode. This is the button for shifting camera front to back or back to front, and this is for gallery. On the top you can see the indications as well, the gimbal battery level followed by mobile battery level and flashlight option. If you click the gear icon, you can see some more settings for camera. You'll get only this panorama quality option here. If you go to the gimbal, here you can do some more changes of this gimbal, like joystick configurations, panning, tilting, and even you can do the calibration as well. Next option is general, where you'll get the device information and device name. Then if you click here, you can see the live face tracking option is mode, follow mode is there, walk, sports, some more modes are available. I'll test these modes and post it on full review. If you go to the camera settings, you can see some more things like HDR, you can control, white balance you can control, flashlight you can, and some more settings are there. It's like complete settings you will get in the camera app. When it comes to the video quality, if in case you are recording the video, from clicking here you can change the video modes as well. Right now it is in default. You can change to slow motion or time lapse. You will get one screen like this, so you can increase or decrease the duration and interval as well. It will show the video seconds, how much you will get if you change the interval and duration. If you tap on the screen anywhere, you can increase or decrease the exposure values. This is also pretty nice thing. If in case you want to change the video resolution, click on the camera icon here with settings, and there you can see the video resolution. This mobile actually supported for 4K 30 FPS. That option is also there. Actually some gimbals doesn't support this, but this gimbal is supporting this. This is a crazy thing. So these are the features you will get inside the application. Most of the features we don't use very often. See, if you're recording the videos, apart from like tracking, face tracking or motion tracking, the normal default camera app works pretty fine with this gimbal. Yes, you can connect this gimbal to the Bluetooth and use the default inbuilt camera app to get that smooth stabilization video. So these are the features that you will get inside the camera app. If in case you want to use the default camera app, yes, you can use, there is no problem with that, but you need to connect this gimbal to the Bluetooth first. So these are the options that we get inside the application. And by the way, one more thing I forgot to share, if this light is on, that means it is paired to a mobile. So this is the complete setup on how to use this Amazon basic gimbal, guys. I hope this video is really helpful for you. And by the way, this base tripod is not at all good. When it comes to the customization wise, yes, in the application you get a lot of customizations. So basically this is a very good gimbal for the price what you are paying. If in case you want to know how to control the DJI gimbal, this is the video you need to watch. This is my previous video. If in case you missed it, check out that, you will get some information and entertainment from that. If in case you are interested to buy this gimbal, please watch the full review. After that only you buy this gimbal. I provided the links in the description box. Feel free to check.